Hey everyone, this is Crypto Bebo here, and today I'm going to show you exactly step by step on how to buy some Ethereum Max, the quickest and easiest way possible, okay? So the first thing you want to do is to go on MetaMask.io, and this is where you're going to download MetaMask, okay? The MetaMask wallet is a wallet where you're going to stack in the Ethereum to then buy some Ethereum Max because you need Ethereum to swap into Ethereum Max. So once you click on the down button and your MetaMask wallet is downloaded, it should look something like this, okay? Now, the thing you need to do is to buy some Ethereum, okay? So how you're gonna buy some Ethereum to transfer to your MetaMask wallet, you're going to use a website called Binance.com, okay? It's gonna look just like this. And basically, I will leave a link down in the description below for you guys to sign up to Binance. This is the website where it has the lowest fees when you want to buy crypto. And if you use my link, you'll get 10% off trading fees. Okay, so basically, once you've signed up, you want to go on Binance.com and go on Buy Crypto, click on Credit/Debit Card. And this is where you're going to buy some Ethereum. Okay. So you want to select the amount you want to buy and make sure here on receive you do Ethereum, okay? Because you absolutely need Ethereum for this to work if you want some Ethereum Mask. So once you bought an Ethereum and clicked on continue, you want to go to wallet over here and click on fiat and spot. Then once you're on fiat and spot, you want to scroll down over here where it says Ethereum and click on withdraw. Now over here, this is where you're going, the Ethereum you just bought on Binance, this is the Ethereum you're going to transfer into your MetaMask wallet. Okay, so over here where it says address, this is where you want to copy your MetaMask address. So you're going to go here, copy to clipboard and paste your MetaMask wallet here. And network, make sure to choose the Ethereum network, which is ERC20. Once you did that, you just enter the amount you want to transfer into your MetaMask wallet. Let's say you just enter an amount and click on withdraw. And once you click on withdraw, you're going to see some Ethereum appear over here on your MetaMask wallet, okay? So the last step to do if you want some Ethereum Mask is to go on UniSwap, okay? So uniswap.org, you want to click over here on use UniSwap. And over here, the first thing you want to do is to connect your MetaMask wallet to Uniswap, okay? So over here, you're going to see there's usually a button when it's the first time you're using Uniswap that says connect wallet. So it's going to say connect wallet. You want to click on MetaMask over here, and it's going to connect your MetaMask wallet to Uniswap. So this is the website where you're going to be able to buy some Ethereum Max with the Ethereum you have on your MetaMask wallet. So after that, you want to add the Ethereum Max token, okay? So how do you add the Ethereum Max token? You want to go on CoinMarketCap over here, coinmarketcap.com, and search up Ethereum Max, okay? So once you search up Ethereum Max, it's going to bring you to a page just like this. And you want to go over here where it says contracts, copy the contract address there is on coinmarketcap.com, go back to Uniswap, and paste that address you just copied. As you can see, Ethereum Max appears here, so you want to click on it. And then the last thing you need to do is to just enter the amount of Ethereum you want to buy to get some Ethereum Max, okay? So basically that's how you buy some Ethereum Max, guys. So you'll see that once you bought some Ethereum Max, it's going to appear here, okay, on your MetaMask wallet. And if it didn't appear, all you need to do is to click on add token, custom token, and paste that same address you copied from CoinMarketCap. As you can see over here, already appears Ethereum Max, decimals. So you want to click next and add the token, okay, to your wallet. And that's pretty much it, guys. So hopefully you enjoyed, and make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this in the future. All right, bye-bye.